Measures of spread. The measures of spread describe the variability of data. Answering the question, are the values in a data set close together or spread out? Spread is described by the data's range and interquartile range, or IQR. We use the five-number summary to calculate the range and IQR. The five-number summary is made up of these five values in a dataset: the minimum, the maximum, quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. And we'll be learning more about these here in a little while. The range is the distance between the minimum and maximum values, while the interquartile range, or IQR, is the distance between quartile 1 and quartile 3. Measures of spread. The measures of spread describe variability. We use the five-number summary to calculate the range and IQR. Range is the distance between the minimum and maximum values, while interquartile range, or IQR, is the distance between quartile 1 and quartile 3. So how do we calculate the measures of spread? Well, in step number 1, we have to put the data set in order from least to greatest, or from minimum to maximum. You can see here we have 10 values that make up our data set. But these 10 values are not in order from least to greatest, or from minimum to maximum. So that's what we need to do first. And when we do, that data set becomes this. We now see that all 10 values are in order from least to greatest. In step number 2, we use that information to identify the minimum and maximum values. We can very easily see, once the data set is written in order from least to greatest, that the number 3 is the smallest, the minimum, while the number 65 is the largest, or maximum. We now know the minimum and maximum values in our data set. In step 3, we now need to identify the median, or the middle, of the data set. Now you'll remember finding the median means put the data in order from least to greatest, well, we've already done that, and then eliminate values from both the left and right side of our data set, moving into the middle or center of the data. In this case, you can see that the purple arrow is pointing to the middle, or the median, but there's no value there. You may remember that when there isn't a value in the middle of the set, we take the value to the left of center, in this case 12, and the value to the right of center, in this case 14, add those two values together to get 26, and divide by 2, the number of values, to get 13. The median of this data set is 13. It is the value that divides our data set into two halves: a lower half that has 5 values and an upper half that has 5 values. In step 4, we need to identify quartile 1, or Q1, the middle of the lower half, and quartile 3, or Q3, the middle of the upper half. Now, I told you the lower half had 5 values: 3, 6, 7, 11, and 12. They were to the left of the median of 13. So which value is in the middle of those 5 values? Well, it's 7. The upper half also had 5 values. Those are the 5 values to the right of our median: 14, 24, 27, 31, and 65. Which value is in the middle of those 5? Well, it's 27. So you can see here quartile 1 is 7, quartile 3 is 27. In step 5, we write down the 5-number summary. In this data set, the 5-number summary is the minimum 3, the maximum 65. Q1 is 7, Q2 is 13, Q3 is 27. We're going to use the 5-number summary to identify the measures of spread. Step number 6, identify the range. Well, the range is the distance from the minimum to the maximum. So if the minimum was 3 and the maximum was 65, we subtract 65 minus 3 to get a range of 62. The distance from our lowest number, the minimum, all the way to our highest number, the maximum, is 62. In step 7, we identify the interquartile range, or IQR. This is the distance from Q1 to Q3. And since we identified Q1 as 7 and Q3 as 27, we simply subtract. 27 minus 7 gives us an IQR of 20. The distance from quartile 1 all the way to quartile 3 is 20. We've identified our measures of spread. We have a range of 62 and an IQR, or interquartile range, of 20. So, to wrap up this lesson, how do we calculate the measures of spread? Well, we first begin with a set of numerical data. We then take that set of numerical data and write it in order from least to greatest. We then identify the minimum and maximum values, find the median, right, that value in the middle of our number set. Then we find Q1 and Q3. Q1 is the middle of the lower half, and Q3 is the middle of the upper half. These 5 values make up our 5-number summary. We need these 5 values in order to determine the measures of spread. Range, which is the distance or difference between the maximum and the minimum, so in this case 62, and interquartile range, which is the distance or difference between quartiles 1 and 3, the distance between the values that make up the middle of the set. In this case, we had an IQR of 20.